kisses me crazy, and I like it fine.
She likes it fine.
Once we quarreled and I said goodbye, despite I dated another guy. We kissed but I couldn't get in the groove. The trouble with him, his chin's too smooth. He wears a weird beard, not a porcupine. He wears a weird beard, not a porcupine. Lips sweeter than a honey and wine. It tickles when he kisses me too much, and I like it fine.
She likes it fine.
We're back together like we used to be. I'm wearing his ring so that the world can see. I'll make him a promise to be a slave. If he promises me he'll never shave. He wears a weird beard, not a porcupine. He wears a weird beard, not a porcupine. Lips sweeter than a honey and wine. It tickles when he kisses me.